In the boundless expanse of creation, where stars are born and worlds dissolve like sparks upon the breath of eternity, there exists a power far greater than gods and demons alike, a power that governs balance. That power is Bhairav, the fierce protector, the timeless guardian of cosmic truth. Among his many manifestations, there is one form shrouded in the deepest mystery, cloaked in the hue of night itself, Asatang Bhairav, the dark radiant one. His form is dark like storm clouds, his eyes blaze with blue fire, and around his neck hang garlands of serpents and skulls, symbols of the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. By his side stands his faithful companion, the Black Dog, the silent watcher of the unseen worlds. Yet Asitang Bhairav is not merely a destroyer. He is the teacher of fearlessness. He stands as a mirror to the soul, showing seekers that true light is born only when one dares to face one's own shadow. And so begins the tale of Asitang Bhairav, the Lord of Dark Radiance, the guardian of transformation, and the one who turns fear into freedom.
As the universe stirred for the first time, the eastern horizon shimmered with golden mist. From that glow emerged a being, dark as the midnight sky, yet radiant like a million suns. 4 arms holding a trident blazing with cosmic fire. In another, a Damaru, the drum that beats creation's rhythm. In the third, a noose to bind evil. And in the fourth, a sword of truth, gleaming brighter than dawn itself. He rose upon a majestic swan, the symbol of divine wisdom. At his side stood Brahmi Devi, the creative Shakti of Brahma, his eternal consort. Why does Asatanga read the swan? Because the swan sees the essence within illusion, the real nectar of life. It is the symbol of Viveka, divine discernment. The sword cuts ignorance, the noose binds restlessness. The Damaru awakens life, and the trident pierces through illusion. Asitanga Bhairava is not merely a destroyer. He is the awakener of intelligence, the light of clarity before the dawn. Long ago, there lived a king, Sudharman. His kingdom was rich, but his heart empty. Every project he began failed. Every dream crumbled before completion. One night, a wandering sage entered his court. "O king, you are cursed by stagnation. The demon Stamba clouds your will. Only one can free you, the guardian of the east, Asatanga Bhairava king. Another god? I already worship hundreds sage. Then perhaps it is not gods you lack, but direction. Face the east, seek the dawn." That night, Sudharman dreamed. He stood before a blinding sunrise. From the light emerged a deity, dark blue, holding a sword and drum, riding upon a shining swan, Hastanga echoing. "Why do you fear change, O king? Let go and create anew." When he awoke, tears flowed. He built a shrine facing east, offered his crown to the deity, and bowed his ego. From that day, his land prospered again, because the king had rediscovered his dawn. But darkness never vanishes forever. In the subtle realms, a demon was born, Stamba, the spirit of inertia. He whispered into human hearts, "Wait, delay, tomorrow is better." And slowly, creation began to fade. The gods cried, "O Lord Shiva, save us." And once again, the east ignited. Asitanga Bhairava descended, his eyes like twin suns, his Damaru shaking the heavens. Stamba, mocking, "You cannot kill me, Bhairava." "I live in human hesitation." Asitanga, roaring, "Then I shall live there too," as they courage. With a single stroke of his trident, the horizon exploded with light. The first sunrise of the new cycle was born. The demon shattered into sparks of energy, each spark becoming human inspiration. Every time you wake with a new idea, that is Asitanga Bhairava stirring within you. At dawn, when the world still sleeps, his devotees face east and chant his mantra. Om Hreem Hram Hreem Hrom Jam Klam Kleem Klom. Brahm Devi Samithyaya, Asitanga Bhairavaya, Sarva Shapa Nivritikara, Ya Om Hreem Fat Swaha. Each syllable is a sunrise. Hreem opens the heart. Klam ignites creative energy. Fat destroys negativity. The East is not just a direction, it is the symbol of your conscious awakening. Every time you overcome fear, every time you start again after failure, you're facing your inner East, your inner Asitanga Bhairava. His color, dark blue like infinity. His gemstone, yellow sapphire, the brilliance of insight. His consort, Brahm Devi, creative power. His vehicle, the swan, purity of wisdom. And his dwelling, the dawn of every heart that dares to begin again. Ages come and go, empires rise and fall, but as long as dawn exists, Asitanga Bhairava watches from the eastern gate. Seated upon his swan of light, he whispers to every soul, rises, create, begin again, for I am the fire of your new dawn.
Om Brahma Sitanga Bhairavaya Nama. So remember, the next time you face the sunrise, it's not just morning light. It's the same eternal radiance that once shone from the form of a Sitanga Bhairava, the guardian of the East, the remover of stagnation, the bringer of beginnings. Every dawn is his blessing, every heartbeat his drum, every new idea his whisper. Good night and may Airav bless you all.